Japan has been pushing the boundaries of technology with its humanoid robots. Let's know further how these advancements are getting the attention of the US robotics industry. Japan has long been a leader in robotics, and humanoid robots are no exception. Japanese advancements are making waves in some important areas, and we will take a glance at the same in detail. Stay tuned. HRP-5P. Imagine a robot builder like a Lego master getting better and better at making human-shaped robots. Each new robot is stronger and more independent than the last. The latest one, HRP-5P, is like a robot super athlete. It can use tools and lift heavy things like big sheets of wall material. It can even figure out what to do on its own without needing someone to tell it every step. Scientists made it to help with difficult jobs in dangerous places like construction sites. They're still learning how to use it best, but it's already pretty amazing. Here's the cool stuff it can do, such as carry 13 kilograms like a big bag of groceries, work by itself in tough places, see its surroundings and recognize things, plan its own moves, and figure out what to do and how to do it. HRP-5P is still a work in progress, but it shows how robots are getting smarter and stronger, and maybe someday they'll be helping us in all sorts of ways. In 2018, a Japanese research team showed off a new robot designed to help with construction work in a future where there aren't enough people to do it all. Isn't an HRP-5P robot really super fast? It can pick up and screw in drywall like a human. Think of it like this. Robots are already making lots of things in factories, but building houses is still mostly done by people. This robot is like a helper for construction workers, not a replacement. Japan has a special problem because there are fewer young people and more older people, so they need to find new ways to get things done. Do you know that this robot could help fill the gap? It's not the flashiest robot out there, but it shows how robots could be used for even more detailed tasks in construction, helping human workers build things more easily. Pepper. A Japanese company turned a popular robot named Pepper into a priest for hire for funerals. Instead of a real priest, Pepper chants Buddhist prayers in a robotic voice while tapping a drum. This could be helpful when there aren't enough human priests available, and it's even cheaper. Pepper is a cute robot that can read your feelings. Do you know it can recognize faces and understand emotions through your voice and even talk to you? Pepper was first introduced in Japan in 2014 and was popular for a while. You could find it working as a receptionist, helping out in banks and hospitals, or even cheering at baseball games. Though production stopped in 2021, Pepper is still used in some places like airports and restaurants. It's even being studied to help people in care homes feel happier and more active. So even though Pepper isn't everywhere anymore, it's still a cool example of how robots can interact with people and be helpful in different ways. Pepper is not designed to be your personal mate, but rather a fun and engaging companion robot. It's meant to bring joy, make your life more enjoyable, and help you connect with others. Think of it as a playful buddy that can even liven things up at parties. The creators hope that people will come up with new and creative ways to use Pepper, making it even more versatile. Want to know what Pepper can do? It has 4 microphones and 2 cameras so it can see and hear you well. It has sensors in its head, hands, and body to move around and interact with the world. It can run different apps and games, just like your phone or tablet. While Pepper isn't meant for cleaning your house, it can definitely be a fun addition to your life. Actroid. Imagine a robot that looks almost exactly like a real person. That's Actroid, a super realistic robot created in Japan. Do you know it can even move and talk like a human, blinking, breathing, and even having conversations? Here's what makes Actroid special. It looks super real. Made with silicone skin, it has lifelike features like a young Japanese woman. It moves naturally. With air-powered joints, it can move its head, arms, and even react to touches. It talks and listens. It can understand and respond to spoken words, even having simple conversations. It learns by watching. It can copy human movements by observing people with special markers. Actroid isn't perfect yet. It can't walk around freely, and its conversations are basic. But it's a big step towards robots that look and act just like us. Some Actroids are even made to look like specific people, like a professor or a scientist. These robots can be used to teach classes remotely or even give presentations in different locations. While Actroid may seem like something out of science fiction, it's a real example of how robots are becoming more and more advanced, blurring the lines between machine and human. Erica. Erica isn't just any robot, she's a lifelike humanoid designed to interact with us like a real person. Built by a team of Japanese experts, Erica is a marvel of technology, combining amazing looks with even more amazing brains. Want to know what makes Erica special? It looks like a human. Imagine a robot with realistic features, smooth movements, and even skin that feels real. That's Erica. She stands tall like an adult woman and can even move gracefully. She sees and hears the world. With special sensors, Erica can see her surroundings, recognize faces, and understand gestures. She can also listen and understand what you say, just like a friend. She is super smart. Powered by cutting-edge AI, Erica can learn and adapt. She can have conversations, answer questions, and even understand emotions. Imagine having a robot friend who can keep up with you. Do you know how she is ready to help? Erica can be used in many different ways. She can be a companion for people who need help, a teacher for students, or even a friendly face in public places. This amazing robot is just the beginning. As technology advances, Erica and others like her will be able to do even more. Imagine robots that can help us in our daily lives, making things easier and more enjoyable. The future with robots like Erica looks pretty exciting. LBR Iwa. Forget bulky robots locked away in cages. Meet LBR Tiwa, the world's first sensitive robot that can work safely alongside humans. This friendly robot is lightweight and smart, making it perfect for helping with delicate tasks in factories and other workplaces. Think of it like having a robot assistant that's strong enough to lift things but gentle enough to handle them with care. This opens up new possibilities for how humans and robots can work together, making things more efficient and cost-effective. LBR Chua even has a smaller sibling called LBR Icy, which runs on a brand new operating system. Together, these robots can tackle all kinds of tasks, from small and simple to big and complex. So say goodbye to robot stereotypes and hello to a future where humans and robots work together as a team. LBR Iwa can feel if it bumps into something and stops right away, so it won't crush or hurt anything delicate. You can show the robot what to do by moving it yourself or choose from different modes. It even remembers things you've taught it. LBR Iwa robot can feel tiny details and put things together very precisely, even small and hard-to-find parts. This robot has its own brain and can do jobs on its own, freeing you up for other things. Overall, LBR Iwa is a safe, smart, and helpful robot that can make your work easier and more efficient. No wonder recent advancements in Japan's humanoid robots have drawn significant attention in the US due to their impressive capabilities. Some experts in the US are surprised by the progress made in Japanese humanoid robots, raising questions about the potential impact on various industries. It is undeniable that Japan has been a leader in robot development for decades, creating some of the most advanced and interesting robots in the world. Want to know what makes them unique? Unlike many Western robots, Japanese robots are often seen as companions or even friends. This partly stems from Shinto beliefs, which view spirits as existing in all things, including robots. Japanese robots come in all shapes and sizes, from nurses and therapists to firefighters and construction workers. There's even a growing market for sex robots, showing the diversity of robot applications. Japan's fascination with robots goes back to the 1970s, with popular characters like Astro Boy depicting robots as kind and helpful. This positive image contrasts with the often negative portrayal of robots in Western media. Many Japanese people feel comfortable having robots in their homes, viewing them as companions or even family members. This acceptance helps drive innovation and development in the field. Overall, Japan's robots are more than just machines. They are seen as potential friends, helpers, and even family members. This positive outlook has fueled Japan's leadership in robotics and continues to shape the future of this exciting technology. If you liked watching our video, click on like and subscribe to our channel.